How to log in Bitcoin wallet account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can log into Bitcoin wallet account. For this, go ahead and launch the Bitcoin wallet app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store if you are on your Android device and tap on the install button for this application, which is Bitcoin and Crypto DeFi wallet. If you are on iPhone, you can open App Store and download this application. Once it has been installed, open the app. Now, in order to log into your account, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here at the top, you have the sign in option. From here, you can create Bitcoin.com account or sign in. Tap on this option. Once you land on this page, you can sign in using your Google account or your email address. For email address, go ahead and enter your email address over here and tap on the arrow button. Then enter your password in order to log into your account. If you had used your Google account previously to sign up into Bitcoin wallet, then go ahead and tap on the sign in with Google option. And once you do that, as you can see, you have been successfully logged into your account. If you ever want to log out, simply tap on this gear icon again. Then tap on your email address and simply tap on the log out option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.